Hi everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. In this section we're going to take a look at your student dashboard. The student dashboard is the place you'll go every time you log in, and it'll give you access to your courses and other sections such as Daily Dog News, the Canine Principles community, or other students who are studying with Canine Principles. So first of all, across the top you will see we have a bar with some icons. The first section is a Hi Dale Smith with access to my profile. Along from here we have access to daily news. Then we can view the community, explore resources, go to our inbox, or meet other people studying with Canine Principles. Underneath the section where we have my profile, you'll also see that we can view the amount of hours we've been logged in and any achievements we've earned, such as courses passed. Below this menu we have the section that you will all be using the most. This is where you access your courses. As you will see, we have 4 courses showing up at the moment, but if we click on the right arrow it will take us across to any other courses we are enrolled on. If we go back, you will see that the default view is My Courses. We can also view any new courses that may have been released, which courses are popular with other students, or alternatively we can just go to All Courses. All courses will begin with the default view of showing you the courses that you have enrolled on, but if we click on the right arrow we soon see the courses that are available to enrol on, and we can enrol on them straight from the dashboard. Moving down the page, we get to Dog News. Dog News is an area where we draw on content from around the internet, such as the bark or companion animal psychology, and we'll find the latest news, the latest research, or just good fun stories. You'll also see the latest blogs from Canine Principles here. Continuing down the page, we have a notice board. The notice board will give you the latest posts from the student community. Here we have 2 posts from Trudy and Ali. Further down the page, we have Happening Now, and this is just where everything comes together. This tells us which new articles have been released, who's talking on the group, and anyone who's joined the Canine Principles community. Finally, we have a section for student merchandise, which will take us to a separate store if we wanted to purchase any Canine Principles clothing. Okay, let's head back to the top of our screens and we'll explore some of the options in more detail. The first option on our dashboard is to view my profile, and it's here we can get a personal view of ourselves, our courses, our achievements and our activity. Other students can find you from your profile and choose to follow you. First things first, with any profile we need to go in and edit some details, perhaps give ourselves a profile picture. Once we've opened the edit box we get a separate menu of options we can change. So first things first, let's change our profile picture. And I have a picture waiting ready. Great, there we are, and there's Vinny as my profile picture. Underneath we have some more options. We can choose to share our location, edit our professional experience, include links to our own social networks, change our passwords, or choose personal privacy settings. Once we're finished making changes to our profile, remember to hit the Save button. And you'll see that the changes we've made have appeared on the front screen. If you decide you don't want somebody to see some of these changes, head back over to the Edit button and delete some of the information. Moving down the page, you'll see a list of all of the courses I've enrolled on and how far through the course I am. This is indicated by a percentage in the bottom right corner of each picture. Further down the page, I can view my own network. This consists of the people I'm following and the people who are following me. As you can see, I'm not doing very well at the moment. To start following people, I'll need to head over to the People section on our student dashboard. For now, we want to go back to our student dashboard and view some other options. To navigate here, we move up to the 9 coloured squares on the top left and choose Home. Next, let's take a look at the daily news by clicking on the daily news icon. On this page, you're going to see a collection of articles from around the internet. As you can see from this information box, there are currently 42 articles on the page and they're coming from 7 sources. We're adding sources all the time to make sure you get the best news from around the world about dog science, dog stories and dog fun. If I scroll down the page and find a story I like, I can click and that will take me directly to the source website. Back to the dog news page and you'll see there are plenty of articles to keep you entertained, informed and updated. Let's head back over to our home page. So, that's an overview of the student dashboard. Each of the other options will be explored in their own tutorial.